Out here at Studio A Detailing in Louisville, Kentucky. Getting the new Can-Am ceramic coated. What is up, YouTube? Just got done getting the new Can-Am ceramic coated. Still got to put the seats back in, but if I were you guys and you're gonna spend the money and buy a brand new machine, you need to get it ceramic coated. Look at how shiny that is. Not that shiny before, but the best part is when the thing gets muddy and dirty, spray it off with a water hose and it's gonna look just like that. Got tired of always spraying my old machine down WD-40 to make it look good. It would get all oily and nasty. It's gonna stay like this forever. And the best part is it's dry to the touch. No oily textures or anything. Absolutely gorgeous. Got all this coated inside here. Got the seats done. Gonna have to put those in tomorrow. Gotta let this cure for, I think it's 24 hours. Got the wheels done, literally everything is done, every surface.